The Lexus GS Mid-16 Invigorate incorporated another front end with a much greater grille and new headlamps. The well-assembled inside seats are agreeable and sufficiently movable to help most tenants. However, inside regardless you discover the fiddly flip, most thing to control the infotainment screen, and its design still look cartoonish. The auto approaches its stay easily and easily. Comfort is the key here, and you skim along serenely and discreetly at all rates. Little breeze commotion, next to no street clamor. Everything, throttle, brake and guiding information sources, all happen tenderly. The body is vigorous and the ride is delicate. Apparently nothing upsets the GS's ride, even Detroit's winterized streets. I question Lexus purchasers think much about this next point. However, speeding up can feel marginal playful when the tach is kept over 3,000 revolutions per minute. The Turbo 4 has punched, and as indicated by the in-MPG meter, I arrived at the midpoint of 27 miles per gallon around town and reliably observed 30 or more on the road. Not terrible. The 8-speed is super smooth and was never chasing for gears regardless of what I did with the correct pedal. There are swankier average-size extravagance cars out there, and speedier ones, as well. However, the GS200t is strong, agreeable and loudly, and a sensible cost, in any event finished its German opponents, may influence a few clients. Plus, on the off chance that you demand more in a Lexus, regardless you're secured, check out the GSF Sport and its 311 horsepower.
Danny E. B. Track.